Hey guys, I can't wait to show you this Italian car. This one, the lace frontal and the lace closure. We are going to put more stocks and get ready to ship for customers now. This one. I just want to share this kind of wave with you guys, and hey, ladies get ready to order before the other ladies get it. So we are checking every piece now for the customers. This one, piece by piece. This one. It's very gorgeous, amazing curve. This wave. And here, I can show you. Okay, we're packing here for customers now. A lot of busy. Please don't push us, because sometimes if you push us too hard and we may make mistakes. So we're making sure everything is correct for the customers. So take it easy. You will get your hair, and after we ship the hair out, you will receive the tracking number, DHL tracking number and FedEx tracking number, like this one. Okay, let's get started work now.